Injured in an accident? Know your rights. The first thing you need to do is call 911 so they can come out to the accident. When the police arrive, make sure you get a police report because this will be very important for your settlement and for your claim. The next thing you need to do, this is very important, take pictures. These can go a long way for your attorney and for the adjuster. Next thing you need to do, see your medical provider, whether it's the ambulance or your medical professional, see them ASAP. And lastly, call a lawyer that is experienced in this area of law, but if you're in the Atlanta area, call me.